Good morning, grade 4. Let's complete lesson 8.1, page 157, practice book. So please open it. Today we will speak about multiples of unit fractions. So what the meaning of multiples? The meaning of multiples, like I told you, that we must increase the number, increase anything. If I told you it's multiples. So now let's see the multiples, or remember the multiples before. Like if I told you 2, or the multiples of 2, or the multiples of 3, so I must say the timetable but the product only. So if I have 2 and I told you I need the multiples of 2, so the multiples of 2, it will be 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, like this. Do you remember when I told you the multiples? It is like the multiplication or the timetable, but it's the product only. So if I told you today the multiples of a unit fraction, do you remember when I told you the unit fraction means like 1/8, 1/4, like this? So the numerator must be 1 and the denominator as a like. Multiples of unit fraction like 1/7. So I must say 1/7, 2/7, 3/7, 4/7, and so on. Why? Because I told you before the multiples means increasing. So I will make it grow up. So when I make it grow up, I have 1, so it's grow 2, 3, like this. Why? Because here unit fraction 1. If I have another number, I will bring the multiples of it. So if I have here 5/3, so 5/3 here I need it as a product and of a whole number and the unit fraction. So I will take a product like 5. I need the product like 5 as a numerator, and then a unit fraction 1/3, like I told you. Okay? Let's complete number 4. I have 9 out of 10, or 9/10, like we used to pronounce it. So it will be, the numerator will take it alone. It will be 9 as a whole number, and unit fraction like 1/10. Okay, let's see number 5. We have 3/4. Like I told you, I will take 3 as a numerator, as a whole number alone, and then a unit fraction 1/4 alone, time 1/4. Okay? So let's see number 6. 11/12. Also, do you remember? Concentrate please, grade 4. We have 11 as a numerator, so I will take it alone, and then 1/12 as a unit fraction. So let's see. I will leave the other examples for you, and I will start for list the next 4 multiples of the unit fraction. If I told you before, if I have 1/5, so I must increase. It will be 2/5, 3/5, 4/5, 5/5, and so on. But he asked me next 4 multiples only. Okay? Then, number 11, it will be 1/8. So I need the 4th multiples for it. 1/8, 2/8, 3/8, 4/8, 5/8, and so on if he needs from me another. Okay? Thank you. Okay, let's see problem solving. So we have number 12. So far, Monica has read 5/6 of a book. She has read the same number of pages each day for 5 days. What fraction of the book does Monica read each day? So when he asked me about each day, and when he asked me they are 5/6 of a book, and she read 5 days for 5 days. So what I will make now, I will make now the fraction as a whole number and a unit fraction to know how many does she read, or Monica read, okay, each day. So she read all of these from the book, okay, but each day I don't know. So I will make it as a whole number and a unit fraction to know each day she read 1/6. So, or 6 from the book. Then let's see the second page. Today we see number 13. Nicholas buys 3/8 pound of cheese. He put the same amount of cheese on 3 sandwiches. How much cheese does Nicholas put on each sandwiches? So he asked me here, or like I told you before, I must read the question or the thing what he need from me. He need from me how much cheese does Nicholas put on each sandwich. So I have all of them, or he buy all of them 3/8, and he put on 3 sandwich. Do you see anything the same? Yes, we see. Or I'm sorry, I see. I see the numerator here, the same number with the amount of sandwiches, or the number of sandwiches. So I will make 3/8 as a whole number and a unit fraction like I told you, or like the lesson asked me. So he put on each sandwich 1/8. So now we finish lesson 8.1, and it's so easy. And don't forget, Miss Dua will not forget all the time the homework. I'm sorry guys, I will not change at all. So please, your homework today is page 158. Okay, bye bye.